Don't like plugging in your phone when you get in the car? I got you. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Okay guys, so the folks over at Naztech.com sent me over this amazing wireless charger for your car. Let's dive in. Stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this wireless charging kit. Okay, we have the SmartGrip right here. This is the box. Basically, it's a SmartGrip wireless charging mount. It's got a vent, dash, windshield. That's a complete kit. Wireless charging cradle, dash mount, windshield, vent with the leg, car charger, and a 3-foot cable, USB-C cable. And the cool thing about this one is that it has an automatic and open close. So as soon as you put your phone, it's gonna close itself. And then when you turn off your car, it's gonna open up so you can grab your phone. And the great thing is you don't have to plug in your phone at all. You just have to drop your phone in and then it's gonna start charging. 15-watt wireless charging, automatic grips, adjustable pivot. That's pretty much with the mount, 8-inch telescopic mount, vents, and it's case friendly. So we're gonna try it out with my phone as well. As you can see, it shows you how you can use it. So air vent, dash, or windshield. Okay, and then this is pretty much shows you that you extend the leg down so that you can use it for a larger phone. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open that up and then we're gonna bring it out, and here we go. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. So right away, this is what it looks like in the blister. Here's the cradle right here. Looks like there's touch buttons here. I think these are touch. So you just touch them and they'll open and close the mount. See, this extends out for larger phones. There we go. Okay, so that's the charger. The vent mount's nice because it has a little kickstand. So you know how most vents, they sag like this when you put them in the vent and they don't hold. So this will hold. It's like a little kickstand for it, so it'll stay upright and not fall off, which is nice. Here is the dash / windshield. This extends out like that. This rotates up and down. 2-step locking mechanism for better grip. All right, so we have the car charger here. Here's where you plug in your cable for your car for the charger, and then here is an extra port. So if you have a passenger that wants to charge, or you can charge multiple devices at the same time. So here's the USB-C cable. It's nice and branded Naztech. So there you go. You have a complete set. Stay tuned for part 2 where we put this guy to the test. So if you guys like the SmartGrip, go check them out at Naztech.com and use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. How do you win that product? All you gotta do is like and follow. Make sure you share it with people. Once we get to 1,000, we're gonna be giving away all these products. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.